Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment method is not valid in the store. Please enter a new payment method. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to add your payment method in your App Store or in your Apple ID, you see an error that your payment method is not valid in the store. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply go back from here and you have to check for some setting that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data to connect with the strongest or a stable network connection. Then you have to go ahead to your settings app and here go to general and go to VPN and device management. You just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just have to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back and here go to language and region section, select region and select your own region in which you are living. So after selecting your region, you have to go back from here and go to the date and time section, enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again go back, go to software update and try to update your software. After updating software, you have to go back and go to run for reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixing the step and you'll not get the issue again. So after doing this setting, you have to make to a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and here you have to simply open your app store, but you have to check for the network until it connects. So once you're connected to internet or your stable and strongest network connection, then you have to go ahead to your app store and here just tap on your profile option in the top right and then tap on your Apple ID. Here you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Then you have to select this country or region option. And from here, you have to select your own country or region in which you're living or which you have just selected for your iPhone settings. So let's say I'm gonna select this one because I have selected this in my settings. Tap on this continue option here, then tap on agree in the top right. Now in this section, you can easily add your payment method. So you have to select your payment method. It might be your credit or debit card. Then you have to enter your details about your payment method, and after that you have to enter your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all just have a done option on the top right and your payment method will be successfully added. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to check for if your payment method has been legal or there's no any issue with your payment method. If you're using any credit or debit cards, you have to check for expiry date of them. If they're expired, so try to contact with credit or debit card insurer. Or if there's nothing issue with your payment method, but you're still facing the same issue in your app store, so you have a simple fix. You have to simply open your Apple Sport app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can use Apple Sport web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, select App Store, and just wait for this loading here. And then you just have to select this get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you'll be connected with Apple Sport. Remember, you can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.